We are assembling the Chick gift card holder. So when you open your file, you have one base piece here. And we're just going to fold this down like this. And we're going to put glue and this is the pocket that you will be able to slide your gift card into. And then here we have the pieces for the Chick. So this piece goes behind the eyes. And I'm going to start by putting glue around there, and then I'm also going to put some glue around the eyes. And you just want to make sure that you're covering the cutout for the eyes. And you just, for this piece, you want to line the wings up to the wings. You have two pieces here that make up your beak. You're just going to layer them on top of each other. There we are. And I believe I'm going to pop this one up with some foam tape as well. These would look really cute, like in an Easter basket. So you just want to make sure that you're lined up good. And then I'm going to put foam tape here because the ears, I don't want them to bend over. But I am just going to glue them down right on like that. So I'll have the foam tape and then I'll put glue here like on this headband part. But before I do that, I want to put my centers in. just like that. Then I'm going to remove this tape. And again, I'm just going to put my glue here on the headband part, making sure especially to get these tips because I don't want those to get bent. And I'm going to try to line it up to the ears first. There we are. There. And then this chick is going to go right here. So I'm going to put glue here. I'm going to, yeah. Just make sure I've got this stuck down well. There we are. So that's so cute. And then I'm going to use my little Velcro dots. I got these at Dollar Tree. I think for this one, I'm going to put it on the base and then just close it and stick it down. There we are. That is the Chick gift card holder. Thank you for joining me.